Welcome to Item Inc. We're here to help with all your printer needs. If you have any questions or want to see specific topics covered, drop a comment below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's jump right in.
Today, we will discuss how to replace the toner in your Kyocera P3055dn. For detailed information on compatible models, error codes, and links to replacement parts, check the description below. Let's get started. First, power off the printer and unplug the power cord from the outlet. Next, open the top cover of the printer to access the toner cartridge. Then, turn the toner container lock lever to the unlock position to release the cartridge. After that, lift the right side of the toner container first to detach it from the main unit. Next, shake the new toner container at least 10 times to ensure even toner distribution. Then, align the toner container properly and slide it in gently. Avoid pressing hard on the center. After that, turn the lock lever to secure the toner container in place. Next, close the top cover securely to finish installation. Finally, reconnect the power cord and turn the printer on. The printer will automatically complete the toner installation. This takes about 5 minutes.
Well, that wraps up our step-by-step guide. Click the like button if this video helped you out. If you have any questions or feedback, leave a comment below. Subscribe if you want to be kept updated about new videos. And thanks for watching. And keep an eye out for that next video from Item Inc.